Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Grace Whitmore. It's wonderful to be here with you again today.
Imagine if I told you that with just 2 simple vitamins before bed, you could wake up stronger tomorrow. Not just stronger, but less sore, more energized, and ready to move with ease the very next morning.
This is not a wild promise or some trendy health trick. It is backed by research and real science.
The best part is you don't need expensive powders, endless hours in the gym, or complicated supplements. The secret lies in giving your body exactly what it needs, at the precise time it can use it most.
And that critical moment is not during the day, but during your deep, restorative sleep at night.
Many people believe muscles grow when you exercise, but in reality, that's when damage takes place.
Real rebuilding, real growth, and true strength happen when your body rests and recovers overnight.
So if you've ever wondered why soreness lingers, why recovery feels slow, or progress has stalled,
The answer may be simpler than you think. Tonight, I will share the 2 vitamins that make recovery automatic. They quietly repair, rebuild, and prepare your muscles while you sleep, so you rise stronger each day.
before I reveal them, let's take a closer look at why sleep itself is the body's ultimate repair window.
During exercise, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. That stress tells your body it must adapt.
But the actual repair does not happen while lifting weights or running. It happens when you're resting.
Deep sleep is when growth hormone surges, testosterone balances, and cortisol naturally decreases.
This unique state floods your muscles with nutrients that rebuild and strengthen the damaged fibers.
Sleep is not just downtime. It is our body's most powerful anabolic window, the key to real recovery. If you enter that window without the right tools, you leave valuable gains on the table every night.
This is why so many people turn to supplements, chasing better recovery, but often missing the real key. Magnesium often gets recommended, and yes, it helps with relaxation and sleep quality for some. But here's the problem. Magnesium alone does not rebuild muscle tissue or truly accelerate recovery. To unlock overnight repair, your body needs building blocks and activators that drive protein synthesis.
And that's exactly where the 2 vitamins I'm about to share can completely change your recovery. They work in harmony with your body's natural repair cycle, making recovery automatic while you sleep.
The first vitamin I want to introduce is vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin. But vitamin D is far more than sunlight support. It acts like a hormone that directly impacts muscle repair.
It boosts protein synthesis, strengthens muscle fibers, and even supports healthy testosterone levels.
At night, vitamin D enhances calcium and phosphorus absorption, both vital for muscle contraction and growth.
It also switches on genes responsible for muscle cell development, speeding up the rebuilding process.
If you are deficient, you may train twice as hard but only see half the results you should be getting. Taking vitamin D before bed stacks your recovery window with one of the body's most powerful tools.
And here's the truth. Vitamin D deficiency is far more common than most people realize.
Even those living in sunny climates may lack it due to indoor lifestyles, sunscreen use, or darker skin tones.
Low vitamin D doesn't just weaken bones and immunity, it slows muscle recovery and repair dramatically.
If you often feel tired, weak, or stuck in progress despite proper workouts and protein, this may be why. Adding vitamin D at night gives your body the support it needs to rebuild and recharge by morning.
But vitamin D is only half the story. The second vitamin is just as essential for overnight recovery.
And that is vitamin C, which most people think of only as the immune system vitamin.
In reality, vitamin C is the cornerstone of collagen repair, holding your muscles and joints together.
Every workout stresses not only your muscles, but also the connective tissue that supports them.
Without enough collagen repair, stiffness, soreness, and even joint pain quickly become everyday problems.
Vitamin C ensures collagen fibers are rebuilt strong and flexible, keeping your body resilient.
It is also one of the body's most powerful antioxidants, clearing away harmful free radicals.
After intense exercise, oxidative stress builds up in your muscles, slowing recovery if left unchecked.
By taking vitamin C before bed, you neutralize this stress and give your body space to truly recover.
That means less soreness in the morning, more energy, and a stronger foundation for your next workout.
Imagine waking up feeling refreshed instead of stiff, ready to move instead of weighed down. That is the edge vitamin C provides when paired with your body's natural overnight repair cycle. Now here's where it gets even more powerful, when vitamin D and vitamin C work together. Vitamin D enhances muscle fiber growth, while vitamin C rebuilds connective tissue and reduces inflammation. One strengthens the muscle itself, while the other strengthens the structure that supports it. Together, they create the perfect recovery environment, maximizing results while you sleep. This duo is far more effective than magnesium alone because they don't just relax you, they rebuild you. Think of it as recovery on autopilot, your body repairing itself while you rest peacefully through the night.
Picture this. You finish a tough workout, your legs burn, or your arms feel completely exhausted. Normally, you'd expect to wake up sore, stiff, and maybe even struggling to move the next day. But if you take vitamin D and vitamin C before bed, the story changes dramatically by morning. Vitamin D boosts protein synthesis, balances hormones, and supports calcium use during deep sleep.
At the same time, vitamin C repairs collagen, strengthens connective tissue, and fights inflammation. Together, they allow you to wake up stronger, fresher, and ready to train again without the heavy soreness.
This isn't just theory. Studies consistently show vitamin D improves strength and recovery speed.
And vitamin C reduces oxidative stress and promotes faster healing of both muscles and joints.
Yes, you can get these vitamins from foods like fatty fish, eggs, citrus fruits, and bell peppers.
But most people, especially those who exercise, don't get nearly enough through diet alone.
That's why supplementation makes sense, not occasionally, but consistently, as part of a nightly habit.
Think of it like brushing your teeth. Small, steady actions each night build lasting results over time.
Over weeks, you'll notice less soreness, better energy, improved mood, and stronger immunity too.
Because this duo doesn't just help with recovery, it also strengthens your body's natural defenses. Let's dive deeper into why nighttime timing is the real secret that makes these vitamins so effective.
Your body runs on rhythms, and timing matters just as much as what nutrients you take.
In the morning, cortisol levels are high, preparing your body for movement and daily activity.
This state is catabolic, meaning your body is breaking down energy, not building new muscle.
That's why taking recovery vitamins in the morning won't give you their full potential benefits.
At night, everything shifts, cortisol drops, melatonin rises, and growth hormone peaks.
This is when your body enters its anabolic state, focused on repairing and rebuilding tissues.
Taking vitamin D at this time fuels protein synthesis, calcium regulation, and muscle cell growth.
Vitamin C clears oxidative stress, supports collagen formation, and calms inflammation overnight.
Together, they amplify the natural recover processes already at work in deep sleep.
Think of it like handing workers the right tools exactly when the construction project begins.
If you miss this window, you're asking your body to repair itself without proper materials.
This is why elite athletes often plan supplements around sleep, not just around workouts.
They know that recovery, not training, is the real secret to performance and long-term progress. You don't have to be a professional athlete to benefit. This timing works for anyone over 50.
By making it part of your nightly routine, your body builds consistency, and consistency builds strength.
After 30 nights of vitamin D and C before bed, you will feel the difference when you wake up.
Less soreness, more energy, better mobility, and a stronger immune system to keep you active daily. Timing transforms these simple vitamins into powerful tools for recovery and resilience.
Now let's explore how this combination also protects your immune system, the true foundation of strength. Many people think muscle failure stops progress, but in truth, it's often a weak immune system. Every time you get sick, catch a cold, or feel run down, your training rhythm gets interrupted.
Progress comes from consistency, and you cannot stay consistent if you are always battling illness.
Vitamin D acts like the general of your immune army, directing how your body responds to threats.
When vitamin D is low, white blood cells lose efficiency and your defenses slow down.
This is why many people feel fatigued, achy, and more likely to get sick after hard training weeks.
With strong vitamin D levels, immune cells stay alert, ready to fight off anything that wears you down. Vitamin C is the fuel for those immune soldiers, giving them strength to destroy viruses and bacteria.
Without enough vitamin C, your white blood cells are like soldiers with no weapons to fight.
This makes recovery slower, infections more likely, and fatigue harder to overcome. Together, vitamin D and C create a strong, smart immune system that keeps you training without breaks. Vitamin D reduces unnecessary inflammation, so joints ache less and recovery speeds up. Vitamin C clears oxidative stress, freeing your immune system to focus on true repair and defense. Think of them as a 1-2 punch. Vitamin D balances the system, vitamin C provides the firepower. This partnership means fewer sick days, fewer setbacks, and steady progress month after month. Athletes who stay consistent always outperform those who push hard but get sick or sore too often. The same is true for you. Strength doesn't come from one workout, it comes from showing up daily. Vitamin D and C protect that consistency, turning recovery into a reliable advantage every night. And the beauty is, this solution is simple, safe, and affordable compared to many supplement fads. 2 vitamins, taken before bed, can reshape how you feel, move, and recover as the years go by. So now, let's bring it all together and see how these habits can transform your nights and mornings. Think about how most people view sleep. They see it as rest, just empty hours of unconscious time.
In reality, sleep is your body's active repair shop, where hormones, muscles, and cells get rebuilt.
Every night, growth hormone peaks, cortisol lowers, and your body shifts into construction mode.
But without the right nutrients on board, it's like asking builders to work without bricks or tools.
Vitamin D acts as the repair hormone's co-pilot, guiding calcium and protein into the muscles. Vitamin C works as the antioxidant shield, clearing damage so new tissue can form smoothly.
Together, they turn your sleep into a true anabolic recovery window, not just a resting period.
If you wait until morning, you've already missed that overnight opportunity for deeper repair.
Timing makes the difference between supplements that just pass through and those that transform.
After 30 nights of consistent use, you'll notice mornings feel easier, your body feels stronger.
Your joints ache less, your energy rises, and exercise begins to feel enjoyable again, not exhausting. This isn't limited to bodybuilders. Walkers, yoga lovers, or anyone staying active can feel it.
Because recovery isn't just about muscle growth, it's about living in a body that feels good daily.
With vitamin D and C at night, you prevent setbacks, avoid lingering soreness, and protect your health.
Consistency is what builds resilience, and resilience is what keeps you active as the years go on. Forget chasing dozens of supplements or extreme routines. Simplicity is often the most powerful answer.
2 vitamins, 1 nightly routine, and a body that wakes up stronger instead of weaker.
That is the promise and the power of using vitamin D and vitamin C wisely in your daily life.
So here's my challenge for you. Try this for the next 30 days and watch how your mornings change.
Give your body what it needs at night, and let it reward you with strength, energy, and recovery by day.
Friends, I want you to remember this simple truth. Recovery is the hidden engine of strength.
Muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow when you sleep, if you give your body the right tools. Vitamin D and vitamin C are not fancy or expensive, but they are powerful when used wisely.
Taken nightly, they build resilience, protect your immunity, and make mornings brighter.
Imagine waking up each day with less pain, more energy, and the confidence to stay active.
That is the gift of consistency, the reward of caring for your body at the right time each night.
I challenge you to try this for the next 30 days. Let your mornings prove the difference to you. If this message has been helpful, I invite you to subscribe to this channel for more guidance. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and help others discover these health secrets.
Together, we can build stronger bodies, healthier lives, and a brighter future, one night at a time.